So the Maker Faire has come and passed, and I got the chance to meet the King of Random and the rest of his team, and they were so gracious enough to sign it. So that's pretty awesome. But the version 1 is out of commission. As stated before, I kind of cut the wrist. Good news is I've already started on the version 2, and the servos came in today. They're pretty tiny, as you can see, but they're really powerful. So it's about 35, 45 pounds of torque right there. Also got a nice little Arduino set for it. And last but not least, got a new welder. So the old welder I was using to tack weld the version 2 together, as you'll see in a minute, but it wasn't quite doing the job, so I had to upgrade in a sense. As you can see, I have some half-inch steel plates right here. It's a lot thicker than the same thickness of the exterior plate armor I was using for the frame, so it's much more beefy. And the tack welds look really bad, so I need to fix that and shun that one. Apart from that, I'll try to be better about uploading stuff to YouTube. I don't mean to leave you guys hanging, but I do post things a lot more often on my Instagram, so search my first name _ last name, and you'll have almost daily updates, once every other day actually. And keep up the support, guys. I appreciate everything that you guys do for me and the support that you give for this project. So, take it easy.